Pani Jalawa in Australia, the former minister.
1 million.
Wajal Yokuja level in and a Jamia, and when a Jam Kabaya, Baban invited into my house. Yeah, but it Jim is I told him one young guy. You Jim is all I could go to not to go in bed. Y'all invited Waba Ben Magi and a Jam, by a way you look. Ubaku Chagway. He can't let quite Baba join in the meeting. Who am I about? Rio. People better money. Don't be a guy another year and walk out to take an eye by a day. Go on, take you to go $1 millions and millions, then to be moved by in Australia. Now, quite a few corruption Kilomedian, Chawu by Chalu construction by that. By non and Panchikan, well, a Panchibu bacon, Amarat and Kiwa, there a lot. No, these are people to buy right, to buy chami. These are people who were commanders, whatever you want, call you are, Elwa, Mirakiran, Dom Connect, Omoyotro, Pocona, you know, the Yamere, go around Mugit and Wajanga Mugato. In a culture of corruption, where people condone because of liberation, in a key job to Jalbay, Bob Jalakuma, Jalaway, historical leaders. Historical leaders, know what you buy. Up to now, I think you are Banashim. Up to now, I think Pukul. Up to now, I get a Liu. Zealot Killer bring up a Baragazal, well, the Red, and the Liu. Jalaway, historical leaders. Patu Billas, Patu Marat. I do you hotel. I'm going to walk out to a man, or I will man the hotel in Juba. You said you have to buy a motor, a cut of young den, a lego. 9 years ago, because we'll go, the little while, the Laka Puma, the week. Now she came to Wida Puma, the highlight with a rebellion to buy Yano. We don't put Paragay, they won't ticket, that in the ability, that in the ability. Simply because what you don't do, what you will. We don't have money, and actually here in Australia, they keep testing at them, and they have been wood. You have been moved. A good material and a chapter will, they got chapter and a value chapter and a mind. Young Council of Elders, my dear people, I hear Council of Koi Ray will walk up by no. If a woman can I quite know me by that. I can have a village, sir. They quite get. I feel quite Latin, who be panditial, you know, Bija Tormal, you were a Jaguar in the moon one moon ran, we end in Kumuda, and I see Japan be what you just took. I reckon, what's up for I think a bedu, go Jonathan Bukap and go. Look at Bukap in the pan, but pure Novenaga, Mamkalan there. Ya Jama, Luda Gil, Lana Nicola, the Chalama, a Chalama, a Jalo, to come Ben Monter. A Ben Monter to quite good at the garage. So now, a Bajala Lepa, Panamada, within a year, Yelpuyan Bell La Beda, Bubalate, Kilo, Bocolo, Ashika. You know, this mission is, I call it image cleansing mission. It is an image cleansing trip in a mission in Chapel Benetton. In a Kirikin Yaraway, a regular edition of Australia, Bajajap, Kuliyum to Payara, Yakeli, Mutera Yeda, the middle of my cop. Lakin, we have to do the image cleansing. Quadration one young, a Kira book, a Kilom, a Reka kid, now locking America, who take in even you look. Ethan will in one young in a duel one. Simply because I think your power to buy corrupted, oh, I can find no, or I am not quite, or I quite put Ganun, walk with my Muda and a key even one year what? Ruyu, the Kenya Rabbit, who now come when Kuma and you know be associated with one young who with regime change, I will longer it, I will yet to talk about it. So we have to do image cleansing. As for me, as one young. Lano do one young at you look. kudaye monja injara yo he fu kirumen yabga ka junuba believe ana gam fu bula fo bai bu monja ko fo ga bagam these tiles bagam ka junuba believe where Kiola, Nairobi, Tong Ranechol, Daniel Arap Moi, Kubung New Zeda, Kegawet, Panama, Kake, Eles, when we finally judgment achieve anyway on another worker, we will know. They were elders. I can't wait with right back. I can't wait with Regional Sudan. I see one young. From our talk, I have been away, Lonada quite a son. I Panamada, we have one history. We have been together for a long time. But Mekila took Keke, is that an uncle in a shop? One of them, one uncle down a shop, Concoy Dan in a Washoli and Masulin as Manja. Who Jala one of them in a Reke group, in a Keke tool for mediation. Gojap ye kun we chol one of them to kun we chol Concoy. While we were not a non chol one of them has a little high, one of them. That uniform, what is it that? We were one young uncle to do nation Concoy, I one of the Concoy. That key. Binako Jala and Bukuda Sharao, what is Concoy? We let him begin and Sharao, what is one of them? Concoy is a philosophy, the Monjang. He will wait there, get a point on neck, Concoy. Chola Pikang did a Punu Pikraloy, Kana Pikang Gori, Kan Yo, Pegit Yo, Kedaka for the Pikang Jam. Yan Aga Bijal not to be attacked later on, could be take Monjang, the need to be attacked. Kunai Kuan, no Kupai Gufin, well, Kuan keep the pot being attacked, Monjang, Kilafinicanic. Monjang. Along this philosophy of restraint, the philosophy that we use common sense. Common sense, you use. Ogaya using rationale. Ogaya using justification of something before we act. The opposite of this cruel. He will get one of the Ogaya nothing. A big job will take later one of the castle. A job will take. Why were you all here? What is in Ghana? Can be in Ube. I will go die. I will go down there. In 1975, I will watch Korea, Kobo, Kulojala, Gorku Korea, Gilgo, Lugo tomorrow. Kulogu la bill farm, cow la bill farm, Pori, our lady. Kujalga, Kuga Shall Concoy. Jalga, Concoy, Reba Gallo in 1983. Go already, go with Chihaka, Kachuponu, Kacholina. Kujalga Ben, Bakujalku or no, Kujalku or choke, Kulonga Haka Diamond, Kujalka with Yaga Garamabo, Kulonga. Take down too low, and then we'll get love and we talk over, not to go longer. Say one thing down. I'll one thing down, and a good over and it's all day in the airway, here of a knock. Go put us into one straight to Kotu. Who knock where up? Who bought ya no coach in the airway. We allow where told you walk a big here, nothing. Yeah, one thing done in a guru and mobile. Hey, no, in a tombstone. Hey, no good and mobile. Quite away. We got called the Concoy. This Concoy, you want it if I go. I reckon I keep a jar dump later on for you there, no electrical alone. So, one thing done, can a culture that. Hey, yen and it's all over and where. Go to well, Concoy done, we saw a bunch. In a shallow be Junube. Aware can Kachila Kulegwell, Londa Kagor be Junube, separation till Junube Sudan, naked, like that. I can't know any slight as intelligence. I am one young Kakachi Bill, and will can cái đi picture Middle East, cái picture UN, cái picture no, cho là bục lôi cái liberation of the whole Sudan, bục jala có bé rồi, ai coi cán chôn cho lòng chú bục cái bé này rồi, rồi cái bục our friends bục cái bé này rồi có, and bục jal thor cái rồi chỉ separatist because we have analyzed what of the al-alam, even Africa, at your separatist movements. Now we are talking about one to Benelux, yen, Command, Gor, where Cogbin, a law diplomatically. Then the Tayam one jump in the laws in other Jodias. Now, we got you the Aparada, you know, I got your kids. Where is the Apara now? Now, then the Ferretta, quite good. I have got it. What you make a can't laugh. I quite put away to pro, Jan, put a Tony, put the one young and again, and you have been a champion, to be right, one young again. One young, a clear boy, Woody, the two, a clear, a good nick, an Indian Tom Paul, we had to call Haddy. Okay, a time called Busak, it's all one of them. Yes, he mediation team, the KE. Aki job lue kini ai lue wete we lue we aki elders mwanje ndio da na ye ndio go yinu kan ndio ka yinu ko tibina stability la when kimucha gade men in South Sudan will continue to have political instability and you will not develop awe ga kidi Uganda. When Uganda came out, they're independent. Kenya here coming out, they're independent. We established a stable political system. Which is Uganda, Ingelap, Tariru, Bagmar. And now when the Donkian, for 30 years, the Qatar. Which you, for 40 years, I can get your change. We were able to focus on development. And here now, Kenya has come out to be a major economy in East Africa. A leading economy in East Africa. Because we are peaceful. Kujala Uganda kakia nation behind. Arega kaki Tanzania kakibela war. Because I am peaceful. And if you go to Baghdad, to University Sudan town in Cairo, Daniel Arap Moi have been instructed now a team to write a book entitled Concord and one of them is South Sudan. Actually, what they book launch, one young one, who were out of them, in the audience. I defeated them. Because the story is that. The way I have organized it, the way I am presenting it, the way I am arguing it, and the way I am answering questions coming from the floor, including ugly questions from the nerves. I have been doing diplomatically. Now when the boy be a party, I rather be able to go tour and cake, and a few tour the hair. This is the mind. I want you Kubaga ambassadors, wherever you are, to show good example of casual GM, because all what you in the what you the rising. Don't know what sabagis. In this 21st century, more than 20% of the educated people as GM community, Lebu Madwe Yayo, sabagis, what no. Oga koi room, oga looters, oga corrupt, oga here quite watching a clock. This is a mission to cleanse the image of the Mwanjang. And all of us has to be involved in explaining Lonadagano, including this book. This book is going to explain Lonadago what he is told. What is asked is what is written in this book. Why would it? Why God we who are not good values? Who are even compassionate? Now you run, cannot create you, go out of the book in the crowd. Who got your service? What you look at it, you were clear, but you Kiliti Jal no to one young Kalia, Jal no Jare, who been with Bella Ray, who made Bent Emerald. And one young cannot do that. It is in this book by Yuktin, now the king one young for Toulouse, Cholway, Jacob Yale, and on Kinu, Benton, Gawer, who go with Jelka Walpin, with Jelka Knock, with Jelka thinking knock, Jelka Long be up here. To in this book in 1991. We take Jala, but I just quite not been quite cool, the Jala Yogati, Kija Pida, and I can't go, what is this behavior? Do we do those things? Oh, my God. And I can. Oh, I go piano. Oh, I go piano. Who you? Kegamutamahat. Inward looking, tall door in Equatoria. I egocentrics. Only the horizon then is only Equatoria. They think that Lonadam one young man, Jalakutu, Ventura, I hear you, Lonadam, or I can pay watching me, or I can one. Out of 36 million heads of cattle, 30 yaka one. Oh, yeah. Randomly now, women. Some people are women, the cattle tycoons among one young. Why is here when what? Ogashumum, Ogalang pin pop, including this oil in Januba Sudan, Jalo, our Hio and Mijala into 28 states. So we Gian Council of Elders, Elwith, in Pichil Wapai by Elwith, Eluampak, Kunai Kechola Puma, Eklan Menenya, Pongor Babayo, I tell you in Bab, but one Dunjara work. But what is not true. Now you watch the loan court, any one of them. Since 2006, in the Guru loan court, Tiza, in the loan court, Buchaka. When Kilku Piri, when a jam, and it wasn't in a Junubi, and a Manu Mwanjang, and a Yam. I shall love the Injala motion. Yakatway, you were called a Yaka with you, Yakama Fazin, Yaka members of parliament, and are you not still loving your country now? A love for the country in a train. In a Kanga train, will not be in interest to Alum Batao train, Nyaka. Is one of the things I am to tell my people, Lonada, just do that thing, please. Bapan Dumba well trained. Pujal Masla do yin, Chokajalog and Kien. Because if Muslim didn't well trained, they think that you know whether they told themselves in Kenki, Tolly, DC, G10, EIO, IA, all this, I are rebelling against their own country. Because of a left, because of money, kick about your back to coach. Yes, SPLM, Syria, Yamunyal, what are 3 layers? Aquilia as a Qaeda in SPLM. The first layer, the first echelon in the Kirikibai Raji. The second echelon, IUO Nalapusa Gaben, Kubu Financial Junubu Kum, I believe we will inculcate into Southern Sudan, into our people, spiritual patriotism. Kubu Kaila International Building. To rule our international building, not national destruction. The third layer of the SPLM in the Morton SPLM members, Nichol Karirwa, Echilo, it's quite no rate for the Aryan by a member of the SPLM by a part of history. Dokuput Bukai, Dokubil Waye, Kalad SPLM to move because she quite like a the upper layer, no, I don't tabagat but at SPLM, non tabagat. We can still salvage what we can. Don't despair. Okay, giving up hope. No, there are other nations that are even worse than South Sudan. I can't have a tongue in a wedding. And I mean, 28 states. Okay. Oh, click in.
I